So if you want to recover the photos that you have deleted from the gallery of your iPhone, then what you do is go to this photos. Now whatever the photos you delete from this gallery, it will remain in this recently deleted album for about 30 days. So open this, and here you will see all the videos or photos that you have deleted. So if you want to recover, just select the photo which you want to recover, and you can tap on this recover option. If you want to recover more photos, tap on the select button here, then you can select those photos you want to recover and tap on this recover option. Now the other method to restore the deleted photos from your iPhone is through iCloud. If you have enabled the backup of your photos to the iCloud, then what happens is all the photos from the gallery will be automatically backed up to your iCloud. So open any browser, and then you have to open this website iCloud.com. Now it is asking me, do I want to sign into iCloud with my Apple ID? I will select continue. Then I will use my Face ID. Now in case if you have not used your Face ID and only the passcode, then you can log into iCloud with the help of your passcode. And then I will go to photos, and here I can find all the photos that are backed into the iCloud. And suppose if I want to recover any deleted photos, then what I will do, I will tap on this select, and then I can go on selecting those photos which I want to recover. After that, there is an icon here with 3 dots. I will tap on it and then select download. Now you can see the download process is started, and what I will do is I will tap on this download button here, and the downloading process gets started. So once the downloading process is finished, I will tap on this open in option, and then from here I will go to this option save to files, and here I can select where I can save the files. So I'll be saving on the downloads folder which is in my iPhone. So I will select it and then save. So once I have saved it, then I have to find that folder. So I will go to files, and then let me go back, and I will go to on my iPhone, and I will go to downloads folder. So you can see there is a zip file iCloud photos. So I will tap on it, and you can see a folder is created. I will open it, and these are the photos that I have recovered from the iCloud to my iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.